How to find restaurants near you on Yelp. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Yelp on your device. Here, in the search bar at the top, simply click on current location. After you click on current location, on the left side, select restaurants. After you've selected restaurants, search and you'll find all the nearby location restaurants. As you can see, these are the restaurants near my location. You'll find different location, different restaurants. You can simply scroll through it and you can simply click on order to order from the specific restaurant as well. And this is how to find restaurants near you on Yelp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.